Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another video with me, Nikki, here at the Mutra Makeup kitchen studios. You know, dirty dishes in the back. It's another one of those days. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different from my usual routine videos. I know it's been a while. I have a few videos that I have in the deck, but I just haven't gotten around to editing. It's been crazy. Life has just been a lot lately, and so I just haven't had the inspo to go through and do the editing process. But soon I will be back on my regular schedule, but for now this is what we've got. Today's video, like I said, is going to be a little bit different from other past videos, as I will be reviewing a product that I just purchased that I'm very excited for, and it is the new KKW Crystalized Palette. This is how it looks like on the outside. This palette has 10 different color tones in it. It is the newest palette from her series, and I'm very excited to try out these colors. They look like a good mix of the shimmers as well as the mattes, so we're gonna try and make a look with as many colors as we can today, and I will give you guys my full review on this palette itself. So if you're interested in that, definitely please keep watching. So the very first step that I personally would like to do today is jump in with my foundation, highlight, and contour. So first I'm gonna do my foundation. Now I would like to jump in and do my highlighting and my contouring. So this is what it'll look like. And I'm gonna blend it out, and then we can finally get started on this whole shebang. So let me blend that. And then now I'm gonna just powder it up, and today I'm gonna be using the RCMA translucent powder to just make sure everything stays in place. I like to just kind of dab it onto my hand, and from there add powder as needed. And this works basically good enough for me. So now let's do the eyes with this new KKW palette. This is my very first KKW palette that I've gotten. If anybody knows me, they know that I am obsessed with Kim Kardashian. I know this might give me some slack, but I've just, since young, I've always really loved Kim Kardashian, and so I'm excited to finally have purchased a few of her palettes, and this one was one that I was like, I need to get. It looks really, really pretty. So I'm excited to try it. Let's go ahead and start. The first step is going to be priming our eyelids, always. So I think we're gonna start off with this peachy tone that is up here on the very top. I believe it's called Matte Tiger's Eye. And we are going to put that in our crease. So far it's a very pretty color. I'm not seeing any fallout, which is also very good. From here, you're going to take another blending brush, and I think I want to go into the corner with this color right here. According to this, I believe it is called New Moon. And I'm just taking a very little bit about it, adding that into my crease. From there, we're going to take this color, which is right here, dip again our little blendable brush into it, and move that right up here. Kind of deepen out the tones and give it a more dramatic eye finish. This is a very pretty color too. Wow. From here, I want to take this really beautiful metallic color that's in the middle called Liquid Platinum, and I want to kind of place that here on the eye. There's a little bit of fallout. It's nothing too crazy, but there is just a little bit. Wow, it's a very pigmented color. It's light, but it's very, very shimmery, which I like. From here, we're gonna take this purplish color that's here in the corner, and we are going to add that again to our brush. I'm going to place it on the outer part right here. Give it a bit more of a change in the color tone. And this is primarily being put, like I said, on the outer part, leaving that silvery color more on the inside. From here, we're gonna take this color right here on the very top called Mother of Pearl and apply that up on our brow bone to give it a little bit of opening up. And then from here, we're going to snag this really pretty shimmery color here on the bottom called Precious Metal. And what we're gonna do from here, a little bit of fallout in the pan, I will say. Add that here to our tear duct. to open it up ever so slightly. Very beautiful color. That one's probably my favorite color so far in this entire palette. And then underneath, we're going to use this color right here called Sunstone. And we're going to take our brush and add that underneath our eyes like so. From here, the last color that we really haven't used is this one here. Oh, it's two of them. And then from here, what we're gonna do, we're really gonna try and use every color today. We're gonna go in with this really pretty shimmery pink color on the very top called Crystalized. Add that too to the brow bone to give it a little bit of shimmer and texture. And then last but not least, we have this very gray color on the very end called Cashmere Luster. And we're going to take just a little bit, and we want to darken it out. So we're going to add it here just in the very corner of our eyelid. And if you want, you can drag it out ever so slightly to give it more of a shape. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and put on a little bit of mascara on my eyes. You can always choose to put falsies, but you know, for me, like I've said before, I ain't going nowhere. So do I need all that extraness? No, girl, you be you. I'm not sure exactly where my camera decided to cut. If it did cut, I apologize. I'm back. I put on some lipstick. The lipstick that I decided to use today was the new KKW lipstick in the Semi Matte finish. I believe it's one of the newer ones. The name was HBD. Happy birthday. So it was fairly recent. And like I said, the Semi Matte. So that is what I'm wearing today. I've got to say, this lipstick feels really freaking amazing. I am a lipstick fiend when it comes to things. So for me, if a lipstick does not fit good, does not look good, starts giving me some cracks and stuff, I'm not for it like at all. But this right now, it is semi-matte, it is a little bit wet, it does transfer a little bit. I'll see how it kind of progresses throughout the day, but it feels really freaking nice. It's very smooth. And it looks beautiful with this look today. That basically completes the look though. This lipstick goes with it really, really pretty. As far as a review, which is something that you're probably waiting for since the beginning of this video. Review-wise, like I said, this is my very first KKW palette, so this was the first time of me trying anything of hers palette-wise. I did buy 2 other ones as well, because, you know, I got a little extra with it. I was very excited to try this palette. It was a very pretty palette, and I love the gray colors, and I thought, you know what, I need grays, I don't have enough. So when it comes to a few things, right, we're going to talk about a few things. When it comes to the fallout, there really isn't much, but some of the mattes did kind of give a little bit of the dust action. They are pretty creamy, and they are pretty pigmented, I would say. They're not like very light by any means. When it comes to the variation in the colors, I do feel like some of these grays are a little bit similar in their tones, but as you build them on, you can see that some have a bit more of a purpley tone, while the other ones have more of a like bluish kind of tone. Bluish meaning cooler tone. So they're kind of different in that regard. I feel like these 2 colors together work really well, and you could probably make some really pretty smoky looks with even those 2, this color and this color. When it comes to the shimmers, like I said, I think this is my favorite color out of all of them. It just goes on really, really well, and it looks really pretty and it pops. But overall, I like this palette. If you don't have tones like these, I would say, hey, go snag it. It was $45, which is a little bit pricey for what it's worth, I guess. But if you've got variation of 10 different colors, you also have a little mirror on top. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, and I think like the look came out really pretty. I would definitely re-rock this look again in the future. So I don't know, that's my little review. I think it was pretty good, and we got a really nice smoky eye that's really perfect for holidays, night out on the town, whatever it is that you would like. So hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe. Usually I'm here for you guys every Monday and Thursday, depending. But yeah, this one was a little bit different from the usual. But you know, I just thought I'd try it out and get something new and try something different. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!